up, guys? On today's video we are doing the tree removal, and we're just taking both trucks, taking the machine because it's gonna be some big logs, so we'll make 2 trips with that. Warming up the machines. Yesterday I welded this. I don't know if it's gonna I don't know if it's gonna last or not, but we'll see. Not the best at all. If it lasts, then it lasts. I mean, I'm gonna grind them down, probably make another pass or something. So that's the road, Jack.
Yeah. If they want to. I mean, you could probably even just make it somewhat of a chair with it, huh? Like, it don't matter either way. I mean, however you want it. I mean, right.
The walnuts are a mess. I picked all them up. I'm just letting. I mean, you guys are nice.
They get the job done.
All right, guys, let's see if these jacks make it or not.
Hey, could you put them like kind of by the trailer? Just so it...
I'm about to cut this tree. You know, we're not professionals. We don't claim to be professionals. It's an easy tree to cut. 3 cuts down, it'll be on the ground, so not too bad. So, let's go record. Set up the ladder. I'm probably gonna do that one on the on the outside one.
You always film everything?
Yeah, we try to for Facebook and YouTube. Facebooks are just shorter videos, and then YouTube is practically the whole process. You gonna watch them? El otro, on the outside. Yeah, we'll do the outside one and then this one. Porque luego hacemos este grande en una pasada.
Sí, la mano para arriba, güey.
On the other one.
This one?
Yeah. Chuta abajo, güey. A ver, Chuy, watchale, güey.
Yeah,
Aguas. Yeah. That's fine, that's fine. That is tight as for it. I need the metal part, Chuy. The other end. Oh, I guess pass me the harness too, because I'm gonna have to cut this one from up here. Alright, let's move this ladder. For now, just drop it on the ground. Acá. There you go. Here, hold up.
Para allá?
Yeah. No. I'll say just straight. The other one, yeah. Take that for now. Yeah, I have to go that way. Oh, pon la escalera otra vez, that way we can get it nice and tight from the top. Me vas a pegar, Chuy. Dale.
I ain't flying that far.
Hold up. That look good? Ahí otra vez. Alright, that should be fine. Keep going up. Alright, drop the legs and then hold on. And Chuy, pass me this rope. Nah, it needs to go on because it's gonna slide this way, you see? Espérate, ready? Escucha, Esteban, este, güey. Chuy, grab un puño, güey. Un puño y viéntalo. And you also gotta make sure you don't step on it y todo, güey. ¿Desde abajo de dónde? One second, wait. Yeah, we can. From here? Yeah. Let me take this off then.
I just feel like that way it's not too much of a bend, you know, because we have to fold that bend this way.
Oh, güey. got done. Cut it all down. She wanted to leave a little bit stump so the kids can sit on it. And there she goes. Never, like I said, we're not professionals at tree cutting, but it has small like this, nothing really in the way. Anybody can cut, well, not anyone, but yeah, it's easier to cut these with no danger. Just all rope, notching it and bringing it down. So practically get all the chains sharpened, get a new bar, get new chains for that one. That should be good. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna buy them now. guys. Well, we got done cutting that one tree. Loaded everything up. I just came back from dropping it off. Now she wants us to trim up this big guy. Just about this one right here down. Not a whole lot, so we'll get it done.